Good morning, traders. This is Call to Trade. My name is Justice, and we are in London session, right? So, um, before we get into it, anything that you see on this channel, it is not financial advice. I am not regulated by the FSCA, by any financial board, right? So, it's all for educational purposes. It's all just for fun, right? It's all everything you see here is not nothing is serious here. So, let me just clear this up. So as you can see, if you look below, right, somewhere below here, so you will see that there's one account left. The other one is gone, gone. Yeah, it's gone. Um, I did receive an email from them, and let's go. Yeah, show you. I did receive an email from Bulenox. I actually haven't opened it, so I'm gonna open it up with. I'm gonna open it up with the. Okay. I want to see if this is not my like my personal. So this is it here. So I say I've got two. So I've got this one here, right? Saying this is the activation fee I need to pay now. I'm saying 1,000. $148, right? And then the one before that, which is congratulations, right? Happy to inform you that you're eligible for a master account. The master account is ready. And yeah, there's a certificate. Looks like they haven't changed their certificate. It's still the same, right? It's still the same. It's the date there. So, okay, cool. That's good. I remember they don't have a, I hope they now have a payout certificate because last time they did not have a payout certificate. But anyway, we can get into it, right? We can get into it. So, what was I looking at? Or what are we seeing in the market? Hope I am audible. Let me just test if I'm audible because, hey, I don't want issues here. Just give me a second. Okay, I am audible. All right. So, I've analyzed gold. I've analyzed NASDAQ. I've analyzed US30, and I've analyzed Euro USD, right? So, me analyze doesn't mean that there's anything I can see at the moment, but for example, with gold, you can start off with gold. You can see that with gold, we are on an uptrend. We've been on an uptrend. In fact, if we have to go on the monthly time frame and look at where we are, we have not taken out our high, right? We have not taken out our all-time high at this point. So we've been on an uptrend. Gold has been on an uptrend. I mean, by the time I started trading around here, where is it? Yeah, here, around here. Gold's all-time low was 2022. I'm lying, sorry, somewhere here. 2021, yeah. Yeah. So somewhere around here. We can see it's been on an uptrend, right? So we haven't taken our all-time high, but Yeah, we've been on a trend, an uptrend of some sort. Currently, we are in a range. If you go look at it in a daily time frame, we're in this range. But if you look at um, the how would I frame this? If you look at the current data is actually telling us that we are in this small uptrend here that's taking place. If I go even on the hour, we'll be able to see that we've got some form of structure here, right? But still in a range. So for swing traders, so it's good to be at the bottom. Your entries at the bottom here, holding, right? Excuse me. So um, that's in the 50 minutes time frame. So if you look at our previous daily range and our current range right now, right, we'll be able to see that we've got, okay, we're just going to be looking at our ranges here. So that's our previous daily high here, which you can see price is trading above it, or we are currently above it, meaning in Asia, there's been a party there. There's been a party which we were not invited to. So which is fine, right? So that is our where our day is going to end. Then what do we have here? We've got, this is our daily quarters here, our daily cycles. So we can see we've got Asia, we opened here, we closed above there. That's a trend for sure. This is looking like a trend so far, but if we come back and close here, then we are ranging, right? Or London would be range, but we are, what we can clearly see is a what did we take out? We did not take out this, but if we did, yeah, we're currently just ranging, yeah. So we would love to see what are opportunities that if there is any other opportunities that price may be presenting for us here, right? So yeah, that is it. So we went into this gap here, and in this one, I did not see an entry for me, so yeah, it went out. Okay, so no need for me to force, right? So we've also taken out our Asian high. We're also above our Asian high. So uh, let's see something here. Having a look and trying to see if there's a setup right now. Gold, because I had something matured up, something I had in plan, at least or something. Let's see, not you. Yeah. Okay, there could be a potential setup here with gold. So we're gonna have to see if we've got our entry. If there's no entry, then we don't get in, guys. Not you. Okay, you go work. But I would like to get in here. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, so there is a potential entry with gold, or a potential setup, let me say. So we'll be here. Okay. I wish I had my file. There's a file that I have at home, which is something that I want to confirm here, but it's all good, I guess. Okay. So gold, just taken out that high there. So we want to see if we might have a sell to go, because I'm expecting maybe at least a pullback of some sort, right? We can have this here, like that there. We can come maybe around this vicinity, anywhere from here going down. We can come and then go back up. So that's what I want to see if we've got a setup to actually go down. If there is, that will be nice. Okay, and then with NASDAQ, let's see here. Okay, the audio is fine. Okay, so with NASDAQ, we've got. Okay, let me just duplicate these things. I've already analyzed them, so it's better for me to have them on the side so that I don't miss out on any trade. I can actually watching them. Right. Okay. Yeah, so we can. Just not get ready to not get ready, but just set up my entry. Set up my platform here in NinjaTrader if the setup has to come, so I can be able to execute. Okay. Oh, we actually did not check the size, so it's slow. Okay. Good morning, beautiful people. Another day, another dollar. Good morning, Yuri. You're a hardcore fan, Yuri. You're a hardcore fan. You are a hardcore fan, Yuri. Okay, so I'm just looking at gold, right? To see if our setup will be presented uh, before time or we created in time. Let's see. Okay, so gold we are watching. Let's see what other kids are doing. So gold we're looking for a potential pull, so we can go up with it, something like that, right? I've got an. In fact, let me put an alert here. Maybe when it gets around here, maybe we can be aware, right? Um, Otherwise, if a setup to go down presents itself, we are also going to be part of the setup, right? So whichever way it goes, we'll be fine with it, right? Um, okay. Then let's go to NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ. Let's go to NASDAQ. Okay, this is yesterday's analysis for NASDAQ. So with NASDAQ, yesterday we did not even finish, or we did not break out of any high. Like, it's only today we took out the previous day's high with NASDAQ. So with NASDAQ, I'm seeing a potential bullish move. I'll be honest with you, from the analysis which I have, I'm seeing a potential bullish move. At least maybe just taking out this high here, right? That's what I'm seeing, a potential bullish move with NASDAQ. But we'll confirm, well, not confirm, but we'll see if the setups that are gonna, or that are going to give us that a potential move, right? That we are looking forward to, or we are potentially looking forward to. So we've got that there. We can see we took out our previous daily low and also the day before's low, and then we pull back in, we retrace back in. So London, this is London, I mean Asia. Asia was so impulsive, eh? It was going down in Asia. And then we went down, okay? So that's what we have. Yeah. Otherwise, with NASDAQ, I'm not seeing much at the moment. I am just waiting for it to show what it wants to do, right? Yeah, you can see it's caught up in this kind of range here. So we need to see. What I actually wanted to do is for it to come into this gap here, like pull back into this gap and then go up. But for it to come into this gap is going to be a bit difficult because there's other confluences that are not there, that are not there. So meaning it won't be like an A setup, right? I see gold is coming a bit closer to where we wanted to see it come to. So let's go back and look at gold here. Okay. See, it's coming, so let's just gonna have a look at something here. Okay. So we are still waiting. Then okay. So with gold, I'll be looking forward to go long, but I'm hoping it's not going to be a two entry. Thank you. Like a two entry, right? So I will show you where I want to go in. Where is it? The 3, 3, 3, 4. Yeah, somewhere around there. Stop loss I think will be somewhere here. But let's see. Okay, so my entry is almost there. I'm looking this side. It's almost there. Yeah, almost there, almost there. So let's see. Yeah, somewhere about here, almost there. So let's see, let's see. Okay, let's see. This is the way I wanted to get in, so I'm in now. Let's just get in here now. So I've got two potential entry areas with this one. So I want to see with this one where I am now. Okay, just put my stop loss. Goodness, okay. Let's see. Okay, this went tomorrow. I'm not expecting it to go. Oh man, that was a mess. Yeah, that was a mess. I was not expecting it to go this way. Oh, flip, 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 flip. Oh. me see now if there is a where was that one? That was quickly. Okay, it's fine. It's okay. Okay, that happened so quick, and I did not even see that. Just give me a second there. I believe this is going to go in. So let's see. Okay, this trade idea for me is gone now. So I'm just doing this one here. Not even where I got in. This thing it pulled me in, not a bad place. That's not where I got in. Okay, I'll just close it off there. It's fine. It's fine. I will wait for I'm guessing a better setup. Yeah. Okay. So wait, guys. Wait. Whatever setup it will give us, we'll be ready for it. We'll be ready for it. We'll be ready for it. Okay. It's now 3. So let's see if there is anything we will get here that we are familiar with. Excuse me. Okay, fine. This was a loss. Let's go to, so I'm still looking at NASDAQ. NASDAQ still hasn't decided for me, on what it wants to do. Let's see, US30. Same thing with US32. Euro USD. I've got that high, I've got this high here. Okay, Euro USD now. Still, Euro USD is actually in a range, so yeah, look at this whole range here. Something that we would not like to be part of. This guy is even much better. I did not even analyze him. Should have analyzed him maybe. Let's see. Okay, we'll wait. We'll wait. We'll wait. We'll wait. Wait. If you are a break now. Okay, what are you seeing on gold? I'm expecting a buy. So with gold, let me show you what I'm seeing here. What am I potentially seeing with gold? Where is it now? Yes, it could buy, but I don't have an area on what I'm seeing with gold here. I'm seeing actually, uh, sorry, I'm actually seeing it potentially retrace back, pull back. Yeah, it'll be a buy if it does what, you know. So I don't know how much of a buy you are seeing. We just took out this low here. So if we have to retrace back, we can, we can. Um, but let me see, where would I want to see gold? Not this guy here, this guy. This, him. Yeah, I would want to see gold come to this area, at least around here, and then we can drop. So maybe that's the buy you're talking about, but I don't know how long of a buy, long-term buy, are you seeing, Denny B? I don't know, on the, do you look at the economic calendar for today? There's no USD news today, So it's chilled. It's pretty much chilled. Okay, so yeah, I would want to see gold come in this area here. Good morning, around this area here. That's what I was expecting. Sam is like, good morning, everyone. Let's make this squab. Yeah, let's push it. Let's push, let's push, let's push. We're expecting a 33, 4, 7, 5, 3, 33, 33, 4, 33, 4, 7, or like the TP. Okay. Uh, well, there will have to be an entry. Yeah, if that's the TP, but there will have to be an entry towards where the TP is, right? So, but at the moment, maybe what I may be seeing may be short term, because I'm seeing potentially retracing in here and then we go down. That's what I'm potentially seeing with gold now. But I want to see if there is an entry though, to confirm my what I'm seeing here, the analysis that I'm seeing here. All right. If there is an entry to confirm that, then yeah. Uh, Not you. I'm more confident with you, with the way you look. You're not the way you're supposed to look. So, okay, I just wanna double check maybe the entry for gold to actually be long to buy if it's there. With where we are turning here right now, that's what I want to see if there's an entry to potentially buy. Uh, excuse me. Yeah, excuse me. Let's duplicate this here. Okay, so I'm willing to buy gold, right? But it needs to do something specific, like in this range right now. So it needs to give me a confirmation. Then I'll know this share we can buy. So it needs to do something we can buy from here. If it does not do it like in a specific way, then it'll be difficult for me to look for the buy. So we need a confirmation so that we can actually see if this is actually going to be a buy or if it's just playing around. But it needs to do something specific. That's what I'll say. Danny B is saying what my entry was at 33, 32. Where is 33, 32 now? 33, 32.25.25. Okay. Yeah, I guess if this is going to be our swing low, it's a good area to be in. Yeah. If it is going to be the swing low. For me, I'm not seeing my confirmation, so uh, it makes it a bit difficult. Yeah, makes it a bit difficult to actually get involved. But I'm seeing it potentially do this. Potentially do this, yeah. It's giving me more signs of it going a bit lower than to buy at the moment. when I'm looking at what I'm seeing here. But again, um, yeah, I am not. I'm struggling to see. Yes, if it can buy, it will buy, but I can't see my entry. So one of the things I do to validate an entry is I look if there is signs or there is reasons to go the opposite direction, right? So if I am seeing no reasons like to get in, because I wouldn't know even where to put my stop loss. If I don't know where my entry is, meaning I don't know where to put my stop loss. So I would rather be know where to get in, right? And to be confident with where I'm getting in. It allows me to know where to put my stop loss and how much actually risk to calculate. So so now when you look at those other reasons now against your if you're looking for buys and you find reasons to sell, then that's where you're like, okay, why am I getting reasons to sell? Right? Your one of the things I remember ICT mentioning is um, let me look at NASDAQ is that when it comes to what do you call it? When it comes to your trade, when you get in your trade should not have reasons to go the opposite side. It should only have reasons to go on the side that you are looking for. So meaning the factors of confluence you are looking forward to, right? With NASDAQ, we had said we wanted, it wasn't a 15 when we were looking at NASDAQ. We said we wanted to come into this gap. But again, if you go back on the video, we mentioned that it's missing a specific factor of confluence that we needed in order for us to actually execute. So it won't be an A plus setup. It won't be an A plus setup, sorry. Um, it won't be like it won't be an A plus setup, but it's going to have to do maybe two more things inside this gap here in order to consider NASDAQ to go long. If you look at NASDAQ, we are like our London, we are caught up in between Asia. So you can see Asia was trendy, therefore we're now kind of in a rangy form here, right? It won't remain the whole way. So this ranging form, it won't remain the whole way. It can break out, but we will need to see something specific for it to do so, or a setup for us to actually get involved. Um, unless if we'll be trading on a low time frame, but if we're trading on a low time frame, we will need a lot more than just the normal confluences that we look for, right? And if there isn't like experience with trading on the low time frame, what can take place is there can be you can easily get caught up in the on the low time frame. So rise and shine, y'all. Ready to catch another cow today. Let's fish for a cow. Let's fish for a cow. So I'm open. I don't have. I'm open here. I'm open. We're not gonna get in here. There is no everything. Like the things that we're looking for are not there, right? There's just a gap. But what does it mean? It doesn't mean anything. We need to have more than just a gap in order for us to consider us getting involved, right? We need to have just more than a gap. So at the moment, I don't see. Like I'm forcing it. I am struggling to see what NASDAQ is going to give us. In fact, I have a setup with with a trade idea like this, right? Where we take out our previous daily low, and we are also in an impulse. We are caught up inside that range, but that is going to require. It's going to be a setup that happens in New York, not in London. It will tell us a bit more of what to expect, but um let's see, US30 maybe US30 is something that side. US30 is also similar, but let me see US30. Let me just add one or two things here so we can see if this is there. Okay. No, it's not. Okay, I thought US30 was actually giving a sell um, opportunity, but I can't see one here. I don't think I see one here. Um, no, nothing here. Yeah, no, US30 I can't. At the moment, I'm not seeing anything. Let me see if this because there are quite a few I'm saying instruments, factors, but they there are some which are heavier than the other that need to be there, right? That need to be more. That are more mandatory to be there. Okay, let's see something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. US30, I am seeing a short-term sell. That's what I'm gonna say. The short-term sell. I'm seeing US30 coming here around somewhere here and then dropping to go check out this low here. That's what I'm seeing with US30. And this is a time-based trade, so it's going to have to do things. It's going to have to do it specifically. Like there's a range that you should take. I mean, a specific amount of time you should take before the whole move takes place. For example, we don't want it to take out this kind of. If it takes out this kind of without us getting there, then we can't get in the trade, right? Okay, so maybe if I go on the 5, you might see the entry. Yeah, sorry, yeah, around here, exactly where this line is here. I'm expecting it to come there before we check out this low. If we check out this low, then we are no longer going to be looking for a setup there. So if we can take this here, my stop loss is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. That's if we do come there first. If we don't, then the setup won't be there. 4, 4, 4, 5, 2, 4, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4. Yeah, somewhere around here. Then our target will be here. But if we do take out this low first, then this whole idea is no longer there. The whole trade idea is no longer there. So we want to see price come here first, then we can go down. That's how we can be part of this trade. If you check out that low, we're gonna forget about this setup. All right. And also, so we've got two things here. If we get to half past without also getting there, the trade is no longer valid. So this is a time-based trade. Time-based trade. It has to do with how price is printing, right? So let's see other keys while we are waiting for you. This one looks like it might not. So if you look at again NASDAQ, like I was saying with NASDAQ, just a gap means nothing. We already have taken out the gap now. We're below here, so excuse me. All right. Is this guy taking out the low? Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it might have taken out the low. Yeah, it did. So cool. This strategy is no longer valid anymore. We're no longer looking for it. It can come there and react, but we're no longer interested in that there. So Okay, there's something I just want to double check here. Just give me a second. Something I want to double check here. Let's see. Yeah, it's this guy. Just give me a second. Here. So what did you put in? So it's right with this. Okay. Okay. Then what's this one? Is it the other one? It's not this one, it's the other one. Okay, it's not this one. I'm just confirming. Sorry guys, I'm just confirming. I want to see. I'm familiar with what's happening here, so I want to see if it's some of the thing or one of the things which I've documented. Um, it's going to be this. No, it's not you. It's not A either. Number two. It's not two. Two, no. Yeah, I found it. You are. Okay. So, go. Okay. Mm, not that one, not that one. It's not it. Is that one? Okay, let's continue. Okay. Okay. So Yeah, I just confirmed it. It's nothing. Yeah, it's not the same thing I was looking forward to seeing. Um, okay, let's double check now. Maybe we can have structure, but if we do have structure, in order for us to get involved, we will need to see a little bit more than what we have here. Nothing, 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 nothing. Let's go back to gold. Looks like it's moving up. Yeah, it's good. Danny B, you actually had got in where you got in. That's nice. That's nice. Well, I'm not seeing. I'm struggling to see. Unless I'm struggling to see, but I don't see an entry. Yeah, for me, so. Yeah. Okay, let's see who else is in store. Nothing here. Okay, nothing here. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, now just want to analyze real quick GBP USD. It's looking a bit more interesting. So I need the full screen here. Let's see if we've got this here. Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay. 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 Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Let me just say 5 minutes break here. I'll say 5 minutes break so that I can analyze. Like, cool, 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 cool. Let's see which one do we have here. Excuse me. Okay, I'm back, I'm back. So, gold been buying. It's actually Danny B had it right. Yesterday, Sam had got the buy right. Today, Danny B got it right. Again, no entry. Um, yeah, I'm struggling to see an entry for that guy there, for that brethren. But that was that. I am seeing a potential continuation. That's if it does happen, right? So I would need the continuation to happen. Price needs to come inside this gap here. If it does pull back, then we can go up. Now it's printing price or it's printing price action that is that can get me ready, right, to be part of the setup and go up with it. Yeah. Otherwise, I am not seeing anything else. I just not confirm if there even is an entry to join or even a possibility of it happening. Okay, so yeah, that's if it does pull back, right? But if it doesn't, then I won't see. There won't be a way for us to actually get involved. We would have had to see that one go. Actually, something to take a lot from here to take from. I mean, yeah. Okay. Um, is there anything else that may be in store? Uh, there's nothing, guys. Just guess. Uh, there's nothing. So I took time to analyze, what do you call this here? Uh, this was, what is it? Not euro, it's GBP USD, I think, or both, in fact. Let me go to it here. Okay, let me go to it here. Let's see. Okay, so, okay, yeah, like a potential buy, right? Us coming into this gap here and potentially buying, right? So there are other reasons, and I just wanna see if the entry is there. Otherwise, we're not gonna force nothing. We're just gonna leave it if there is no entry. Okay, so there is a potential entry. Okay, I need more reasons. So, and let me just go through the checklist. Okay, so without coming here, so do this here. So from you came in here, and it came into him here. You left it to him here. Okay. So yeah, we'll be getting in a buy with GBP USD, guys. GBP USD a buy from 135442. And stop loss is going to be yeah, down here. Yeah, somewhere here to there. That's what I'll be looking forward to getting involved with GBP USD. So let me make sure this guy is ready so we can be part of this trade. We don't want GBP USD is going to be 6B. That's the name of GBP USD. Remember, nothing you see on this channel is financial advice. We're trying not to get banned, guys. Have anything or to do anything wrong, right? We just want to be in the good books. So, yeah, it's coming. So the linears came to mind for a reason. So while we're waiting for that, I'll put an alert here. I don't want a surprise. Let me go check this here. What's into here? Then let's go to him here. Actually. So from there, up, cool, and down, we went up, and I'm going to break, so we did not hear it too fast. Take with this guy, then you went down, then you came back into this guy here. We did this different though. You end up going to your TP even. Let's actually see should this TP. Okay, what is this here? Okay, GBP is nearly there. Oh, June 16. Real quick. There you are. It didn't pick up. Yep, fine. Okay, it's almost about to arrive. Okay, and I think it might have arrived.
Order filled.
So let's see. How it goes. GBPUSD's risk is usually not as much, even if you are in all the contracts, because they are very weak, these guys. So my stop loss is actually way before even what you are seeing there. So I'm just waiting. Let's see. Okay. Okay.
Order filled.
I'll be out. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go out. I think it might have violated. Yeah. Okay. I'll go out. So this was also not a winning trade. Risk was not so bad. The first one was not as bad as gold earlier on. I only had about there's one contract, but I couldn't go lower than that. But yeah, it's okay. Let's see. Yeah, no, I'm out with that one a while back. Okay, let's see something here. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's see if there's anything here. Danny B is like, hey, gold heading for my TP like Rambo. Let's see where gold is now. Gold is, yeah, gold is moving up, guys. Gold is moving up. Gold is moving up. That's good. That's good. That's actually good. That's good. Okay. I think for this session I might be done. I might have to wait for New York. Moves took place, but I wasn't part of them. Like good moves, I wasn't part of good moves. So let's see. Okay, let's check this one. This is okay. Where did I mess up with this one? Users public photo. Okay, just give me a second to try to see something here. It's not here. Okay, it's not here. Where is it? I'll take it from this tab here. Okay, make the pieces slow. Maybe use this side. Kind of just gonna double check something here. Gmail. Excuse me. Rachel. Okay, can you share that? Not for you then. Okay, not you. Okay. Gold is moving up, moving up, moving up. That was nice. Danny B charged that one nicely. Did good on that one. Okay, let me find what I was looking for. Let's see. This is it. Free break. Barely here. Doesn't came. Yeah, it wasn't accurate with my thing here. You come back here and then apply. Oh, you see. Okay. And this was it during proper checkout. Can you see something here? From here you got that. Unit for my eye. Let me see. Okay. If you are, I don't think I will be able to do so. Okay. Let's go right. Okay. Yeah, I've got something to general here with who with this is with the GBP USD. Actually, it is set an entry here which I did not see from up here to going down. So I was trying to get this one to reject back up, but now seeing it uh, dropping lower, even taking out the low. Let me see if it goes even further. So I want to see if there's a potential entry to join that one, but if there isn't, it's still okay. If there isn't, it's still okay. Where is this thing now? Let's see. Okay. Let me just double check this thing real quick. There's for me. Let's do it. Okay. Which one am I looking at? Looks like it's gonna drop now. It did. So let's duplicate this guy. And then gold is shooting up, guys. Gold is shooting up. Gold is shooting up. What do we have here? It's this guy right there. We go here. We go before May day. What last year before May over winter? If you come back and take all that high, I'll be happy. Yeah, from May. What do you say? Yeah, it's dropping. Okay. Libra, how do I get a Libra? Okay, here you are. Okay. Now that we've taken out that low, I think I might have a set up. Let's now confirm something here. That. Double check. Check this one out and do this here. Not the same. Okay. Check. True. There's the break here. There's the break here. Taking out this low as well. Traction is after the okay. Okay. So drop low. So drop low and low and low and low. What things that we can keep them there? Okay. So that looked. Okay. Okay. We can still recover. We don't have to worry much. Um, Let me see gold now. Let me see gold. Not to compare to this one. Let's go to this is yesterday here. Okay, fine, cool. Okay, I'm seeing it drop now. Gold. I think I'm seeing it drop. Uh, I just want to confirm if it is gonna drop and it's gonna drop from where. Okay, exactly something. Okay. I see you there. Okay, somewhere. But yeah, okay. Let's do this here. Something better this here. Okay. So if you say this is it did look like here. Where did you arrive to? Yeah, from saying gold, you drop from did it hit already this thing? Let's see if it did it so quick. I just left there. Yeah, but closer to it is here. Potential drop from just maybe from, let me see, should give a confirmation. If it gives a confirmation, no, it didn't give a full confirmation. There's no confirmation. Okay, and then I think it'll carry on going up then. I thought it was going to give, no, it didn't give a confirmation. It's going to carry on going up to break, yeah. Okay, okay. It's very close to a confirmation, but it did not. Yeah, I'm saying it go up further. Papa. Okay, I just want to take a short-term buy here with gold. See if it gives it. Let's see if it gives it right. You came here, you came here. Then you give it to him. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Come back up. Good break. Very close. Very close.
Order filled.
Okay. So I'm just joining gold buy here. I'm seeing a short-term buy to join. Just a short-term buy to hitting these highs here. Oh no, my gold is very volatile today. So volatile. Eh?
Order filled.
Putting a stop loss. It's too volatile today. This gold is. I don't understand why it became so volatile today. Even with just one contract, I'm using one. And the way it's volatile, crazily volatile. Telling you. Today it's very volatile. I'm using one contract, guys, and it's too volatile. I think, yeah, I'll probably just leave it. Yeah, I can't be risking too much now. I end up losing this account. It's too volatile. I'm using just one contract and it's extremely volatile. Ah, let me just close. I'm buying. Let me sell.
Order filled.
Ah,
Order submitted.
yeah, today gold, guys, hey, it's very volatile. I'll tell you now, it's too volatile. I was just using one contract and it's a mess. It's too volatile. I don't know. Even the first trade, it was a small stop loss, but it took me out. Only one contract I was using. So yeah, it's very volatile today. I don't know. Maybe it's something I missed. Yeah, maybe it's something that I missed. Yeah, today was also I got butchered. I got butchered today, but I need to see why one contract is volatile, or unless if I'm trading a different gold from the normal gold I trade. But there's only one GC, so I don't know why it would be this volatile. So yeah, but it's okay. We'll come back in New York. I'll see if I can be back in New York. Well, yeah, okay. Thank you for, yeah, Genevieve. My entry was, like I said, I wanted something solid to get in. So what I got in there was a short-term thing, but again, um, taking a loss is not a problem. But how I take the loss is where my problem is. I don't want to risk a lot, or I don't want to get in where I can't see. So I had to go on a lower time frame, even just to get that small move, the small profits that you saw, like that small 400 or whatever it was. I had to go lower, but um, yeah, it's fine. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. I can. I'll probably reset. If not reset, I think this might be gone. This account. Let me see if it allows me to get in anywhere.
Order
Yeah.
submitted.
So I'll probably just see if I can get one, and then I will, yeah, before New York or something like that. But I this session, yeah, before it ends, let me write myself. I think this session I didn't do. When it comes to writing myself, I need to see if I was able to actually follow some of the rules which I had. But then it be, you did well with the entry. You did well with the trade from the bottom there going back up. I was just getting in one contract. It was, yeah, it was too much. So I think it's good this is happening now without a real account or funded account, so that I can actually see, is there an error with this from my side, or maybe because I know one contract is volatile in, it's more volatile, shall I say, in New York than London. So we'll see. Um, I just want to run this thing and then I'm going to rate myself. PM. Okay, we'll come back New York and see what to do. We'll see what we can do in New York. But let me see. Yeah, this did drop from there. So what selling is now happening of this gold, this gold. I had seen that, but it violated. It didn't give me my confirmation. Now it's happening. Okay, but nah, it's okay. It's okay. It's all good. It's all good. Let's see. Where did you go? Okay. So did I pray? Let's see if this is on. I don't know if you can see everything, but let me use this one. Yeah. Yes, I did. Trade documented setups. So I want to remove this guy and put him under this here. This is one of the improvements I need to see. So that if I don't, because if I untick it or if I don't tick it right, let's say I tick everything else, it's not going to allow me to go to the next stage, meaning I need to have done that, right? So this needs to be this side, yeah. Okay. My punctuality was not so on point. I'll give myself a C. Setup execution, I'll give it B. Discipline C. Journaling, I did note down a few things here. This setup I missed only one, so it's going to be B. It's definitely not better than this here, right? So I don't know if I'm going to get a strike here or not, but let's see. Um, uh, first thing today was to be strict and not get a trade. It's fine if the session ended. If the session ended with no trade. Yeah. It was a strike. Yeah, it was a strike. So, hey, okay. Okay, we can see our punctuality um, compared to yesterday was behind. Our setup execution was not that good, or discipline was bad. Journaling was fine. mistradable. So these two, this guy and this guy and this guy, this guy and this guy were a mess. In fact, there is nothing here that was better than yesterday's one. Both sessions. If you see, our punctuality was not as good. Yes, we were here before time, but it was not as good as yesterday. Our setup execution was not good at all. Our discipline was not good. Our journaling, okay, it's only the journaling that's better. It's only the journaling that's better, which, yeah, I guess it helps you to be able to improve in the next trade. But to improve the next trade because you're journaling what you are seeing and what to improve on, right? Mess that up was not good. So, yeah, yeah, we didn't move for this session. In fact, we got a strike. Okay, I'll see you in New York. And yeah, it was a good session. It was a good session. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe. And yes, don't be shy, guys. Just subscribe. Don't be shy. I'll see you in New York.